Why LinkedIn matters for tech careers.
LinkedIn is a powerful tool for launching your tech career. Recruiters use it to discover new talent and assess candidates. A well-crafted profile can set you apart and highlight your readiness for tech roles, even if you're just starting out. Let's explore how you can optimize your profile to boost your chances of landing your first job in tech.
Crafting a compelling headline and summary.
Well, enormous real estate. Use the headline to clearly state your career goal, such as aspiring software developer or entry-level data analyst. In your summary, tell your passion for technology, relevant coursework, and any projects or experiences that show your interest, even if they come from other fields.
Showcasing transferable skills.
Highlight skills you've gained from other experiences. Communication, problem-solving, project management, and analytical thinking are valued in tech, even if learned in non-tech roles. Add these skills to your profile and include examples in your experience section, connecting them to the tech job you want.
Building your portfolio and project section.
Demonstrate your abilities with real projects. Link to GitHub repositories, personal websites, or completed coursework. Even small projects count. Describe what you built, the tools you used, and what you learned. Visible work gives recruiters concrete evidence of your potential and motivation.
Networking and recommendations.
Grow your network by connecting with people in tech. Join relevant LinkedIn groups, follow companies, and engage with tech content. Request recommendations from professors, mentors, or colleagues who can speak to your skills and character. Strong connections and endorsements can make your profile stand out to tech recruiters.